Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today I'm preparing a rice pilaf that takes you to the exotic locales and markets of the Middle East. This simple and easy to cook pilaf is packed with flavors as the rice is cooked in broth with the addition of few exotic spices. This pilaf can be served with variety of dishes. The ingredients for this recipe are 1 tablespoon of ghee, 1 onion, few strands of saffron, little amount of rose water for flavoring, 1 cup of basmati rice, and the spices which I have taken are half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, and half a teaspoon of white pepper powder. And to cook the rice I am using 1 1/4 cup of vegetable broth and salt as per your taste. In a pot add 1 tablespoon of ghee and allow it to melt on a low flame. Then add the sliced onion and fry just till the onion is translucent. No need of browning the onions. Meanwhile, I am washing and draining out all the water from the rice. Add it to the onion and stir gently till each grain of rice is coated with ghee. Add up the spices, that is half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and half a teaspoon of white pepper powder. Mix it and then add vegetable broth and cook it on a low flame till the rice soak up all the broth. Season it with salt. And once the rice has soaked up all the broth, it is time to flavor it with little amount of rose water and saffron which I have soaked in 1 tablespoon of milk. Close the lid and allow all the flavors to get infused with the rice. And the gorgeous pilaf is ready for serving. Instead of the traditional sour berries, I am using cranberries here along with few pistachios and walnuts. The crunchy nuts and the soft berries will make you fall in love with this combination of textures and flavors. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button if you like the recipe. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we post such new videos. Thank you.